Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclohexyl, which is with conjugation with carbonyl, which is alpha beta and saturated ketone. You are reacting with HCN and KCN. You should find what will be the final product. Here the question is simple if you know the basic fact, which is soft and hard nucleophile. Hard nucleophile gives 1,2 addition. Soft nucleophile gives 1,4 addition, which is also called Michael addition. Here cyanide is the soft nucleophile, so 1,4 addition is the major product. Let us see why it is called 1,4 addition. If you look at the inside, cyanide can attack the fourth position because it is soft. Then double bond migrates, you have one nucleophile, it will be replaced with hydrogen, which has O minus conjugate with hydrogen, it is alcohol. Then ketoenol tautomerism occur, you have finally ketone. So hydrogen added at first position, cyanide added with fourth position. So the addition is 1,4 addition. The concept you have to learn here is cyanide is the soft nucleophile, it will undergo 1,4 addition. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.